Okay, so Drija, now we are going to discuss about the United Nations. What did people learn from World War One?
The futility of World War One was the message.
Okay, name the permanent members of Security Council of United Nations.
China, Russia, USA, United Kingdom, and France.
Very
are the
nice.
main permanent members.
Yes. Name the main bodies of United Nations.
The organ is created by its main organ: the General Assembly, Security Council, Social and Economic Council, Secretariat, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice.
Drija, you have spoken very correctly, but can you repeat it again slowly, loudly, and slowly so that viewers.
General Assembly, Security Council, Social and Economic Council, Trusteeship Council, the
Yeah.
Secretariat, and International Court of Justice.
These are the main bodies of United Nations. What are the principles of United Nations? Explain
The
them.
principles of the UN are equality of member countries, settling international disputes between a country, avoiding the use of threat or force against any country, providing assistance and cooperation to the UN.
Very good, very nice, Drija. You have to explain your viewers. In that way, you have to speak, right? You are speaking very nicely. Huh? List the objective of United Nations. The main objectives are
The main objectives are
maintain world
peace and maintain world peace and
security. You are speaking.
security and develop good relations between the countries.
Yes. Then encourage
Encourage
cooperation,
cooperation to
solve
social, cultural, economic and humanitarian problems on an international level.
promote respect for
Promote respect for human rights and freedom. Pacify the various activities
of various countries by
of
coming.
various countries.
Describe the role of Economic and Social Council.
It aims at filling up the gap or difference between rich and poor country. It encourages the rich country. It also encourages the rich country to help poor ones. It also provides direct funds to the countries in need. It also improves the health
As well as education
as well
funding.
as education.
Very good. Okay. I have explained you this in detail, right? Now this question very important, and I love this question. What are the agencies of United Nations? Actually, the people in MBBS are learning this in preventive and social medicine subject. Yes.
UNESCO.
Yes.
UNESCO. United Nations Educational Scientific Cultural Organization.
Okay,
UNICEF.
so speak loudly and again slowly.
UNESCO, United Nations Educational Scientific Cultural Organization, UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, WHO, World Health Organization, ILO, International Labour Organization, FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization.
Very good. Okay, so can you speak about UNESCO? Some lines about UNESCO, United Nations Education. So it promotes what? International cooperation in area of science and education. It also works towards the international peace, towards the maintaining world's natural and cultural heritage. Headquarter of UNESCO, do you remember where it is situated? Headquarter. Which place did you speak?
Paris.
Yes, it is correct. And about UNICEF. UNICEF is what? Related to?
UNICEF, the United Nations is also it can also called United
Nations International.
Children's Emergency Fund. It works for children rights, the development, protection and
Survival.
survival.
It was set up after.
It was set up after World War II. Then
It works with the
it
government.
works with the government to improve the health of the children in the world.
Very good. Do you know what are the achievements of United Nations? Achievements.
It has been successful in bringing peace of the world.
It has solved many disputes.
It has solved many disputes between the countries. In these, it has prevented wars.
Because of the efforts of United Nations, the world is moving toward
It
peace.
is because of the effort of the human.
Right. So world is moving towards peace, cooperation and mutual development because of United Nations, right? And about WHO, do you know WHO? I have worked in WHO even though it is not, but you should know. You do know that during MR campaign you had shot video about MR, various videos about MR, and we have worked on behalf of WHO for monitoring of the MR campaign, right? So this WHO provides actually healthcare facility to international level, right? So it spreads awareness among people to prevent spread of disease, encourage community healthcare, right? It government also aided by the WHO in the health matter. Okay, so that is all about United Nations and other international agency. Okay.
Bye.